Imagine investing in Bitcoin as easily as buying Apple shares. Sounds fantastic. This is the reality with cryptocurrency ETFs. Welcome to the fourth of our 5 videos about Bitcoin ETFs. We've covered what a Bitcoin ETF is, how it works, and ETF popularity. Today we'll explore why cryptocurrency ETFs are needed and their advantages for investors. Picture yourself wanting to enter the crypto world, but you're held back by complexities. How to store bitcoins, where to buy them safely, what to do with wallets and keys. Enter cryptocurrency ETFs, a bridge connecting traditional finance with cryptocurrencies, simplifying everything for both novices and seasoned investors. A cryptocurrency ETF addresses 3 key issues for investors accustomed to familiar assets like stocks or bonds. First, it simplifies buying and storing. No need to deal with crypto wallets, long transfers, or security issues. The fund operator manages all this. Second, these funds operate within a familiar regulatory framework. For many large investors, this is crucial. They want assurance their capital is legally protected and operations are transparent. While the crypto market is often seen as the Wild West, ETFs offer a time-tested structure with clear rules. Third, it reduces security risks. No worries about wallet hacking. The fund stores bitcoins through custodial services. You simply monitor the price and decide when to sell your shares. Moreover, spot Bitcoin ETFs could attract capital from both large investors and ordinary people seeking simple entry points. However, there's a downside. Large players entering the crypto market via ETFs could increase asset concentration, risking manipulation. The crypto market's capitalization is still relatively small, and if a few large funds control a significant portion of assets, it could distort the market. Also, many retail investors might not fully grasp crypto risks and may over-rely on intermediaries, potentially leading to poor decisions. What other advantages or risks do you see in cryptocurrency ETFs? Share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and enable notifications for our final video. We'll discuss existing cryptocurrency ETFs and American regulators' views on this instrument. See you soon!